We're Chris and Sarah, a husband and wife duo that spends as much time as possible on the road or in the air exploring the world. Like many of you, our life's been put on hold the last year. After 13 months of sitting still, we're hitting the road for a little adventure. Let's go.
If you're like us, the last 13 months have looked pretty much the same from day to day. Nothing's really changed. Every day you wake up, you eat, you work, you go back to bed, and that's pretty much the extent of your everyday. Something's gotta change.
The last few weeks we've been hard at work getting our van to a place that we can comfortably travel in it for at least a week. We've installed our electrical system, our bed, and hooked up a few essentials like our fan and electrical outlets. This week we're loading our bikes in the van and hitting the open road for a few days of adventuring down the Natchez Trace Parkway.
All right, so what is Natchez Trace? I had never heard of it before, but apparently it's this 440-mile road from Nashville, Tennessee to Natchez, Mississippi. So it's not a national park, but the National Park Service does take care of this road, and apparently a lot of people like to cycle it. And that's what we're gonna do. The only downfall, one of the downfalls, is that during this time of year, weather can be a little unpredictable. So we saw a little window of good weather and we're just gonna go with it. So now I need to go find Sarah and see what she's up to. You can go find Mom. Let's go find Mom. What are you up to?
Oh, you know, just working on electric stuff still. Y'all haven't seen an update of everything we've done this week. It's not gonna look like much to you unless you've ever worked with electric, but we have our electrical systems pretty much all in, and we're gonna run our lights and our AC and all that, but we can't do that yet. But we do have things like our fan, which I'm wiring up now, and then we have 2 lights and 2 USBs and then an AC outlet in the garage. So we have enough power to actually function in the van while we travel, so we can charge our computers, our phones. What else do we have to charge?
You totally forgot to mention the bed.
Oh, and we did a bed. How do you like the bed? We know that the van is far from done, but we can enjoy it the way it is right now, messy ceiling and all. It's okay. So we're gonna go camping. We've got our bed in, we've got our solar, or actually our solar's not in, but we have our electric stuff in. We can charge from shore power, and I think Chris is gonna get the alternator hooked up, and then we'll add the solar panels when we get home. We just ran out of time. We made some serious progress this week, so I'm just wrapping up the last of, I gotta finish this, which is wiring the fan, and then also wiring the last USB, and then we should be good to go.
Look at all this. Sarah's spent a lot of time hooking up the electric. I mean, it's looking pretty legit in here. All right, so now before we head on the road, we actually need to go wash this bad boy.
That's almost 10 minutes. Let's go. Watch out.
Don't.
Don't? Jeez, you better move.
I know somebody's gonna say, she's doing all the work. And she is. The van is clean.
Cleaner. The vacuum didn't do a very good job. The mats in the front always get so dirty. We need to take them out and wash them probably after the trip, but the van is not as yellow as it was. It's a little bit worse.
Hey, we've got a bed back there.
I'm ready for a little bike trip. What about you?
I am too.
I need a road trip. I need to do something. Even if it's close to home, I need to go somewhere for a little bit.
All right. Well, let's go get our stuff and pack it.
I think we need to adjust it. Yes, I am in fact wearing a Piggly Wiggly shirt. I feel like people are going to wonder if that's really what it is.
Well, I got a good shot of you with the wiggly on the back. All right, let's go. Let's go pack our stuff.
Is that Kramer? Hi.
How you doing, man?
What's up? We missed you. Come here. Come here. Van is ready to go. We've washed it. We've done the electric. I've started to gather up stuff that we need as far as like our biking gear, Kramer stuff, camping stuff, that kind of thing. So I think we are just gonna organize it a little bit, make sure we're not missing anything, sort of go through our mental lists and then throw it in the van. Because tomorrow morning we're gonna wake up and we're gonna drive to the start of the Natchez Trace. So it's supposed to storm in Nashville tomorrow until like 2 or 3 p.m. So our plan is to get up there at like 1 o'clock. We don't mind biking in the rain, but we're not gonna bike in storms. That's just not safe. So the plan is to drive up there tomorrow, but we don't want to be loading the van up when it's raining. So we're going to try to get it all loaded up tonight. What do you think, Kramer? Are you going to help? What do you think? I washed your bed. Oh, you want to eat, don't you? How you doing? You want to tell the good people hello? So that goes, these do not go. That's supposed to be packed up, my man. You got that out of the box? We're gonna forget it if you get it. I am getting everything gathered up. So, we got helmets, bike shoes, and then we always take a few cleaning supplies. We have garbage bags, hand sanitizer, Lysol wipes. I need to get our masks. And then we've got plenty of aloe because I keep this on hand because I always get sunburned. So I'm just going prepared knowing that I'm probably gonna get sunburned at least once. We've got 2 kinds of sunscreen, bug spray, chamois butter, and biofreeze in case we get sore. We also have all of our bike gear, plastic baggies. I know they're not environmentally friendly. They're game changers on a bike ride for cell phones and anything you don't want to get wet while you're riding. I always take at least one with me. So we'll take those. Bike bags, KT tape, lots of extra tubes, bike lights, rear and front lights, bike levers. I think we're good. I think I have everything we need. Oh, and bananagrams for camping. Can't forget bananagrams. So we're gonna load all this up and then we're gonna get going in the morning. Kramer, that's supposed to be in the box, my man. Can you put it back?
So Sarah just looked at the weather and there's a break at 11, which we were gonna get there at 2, so now we're rushing around. Sorry for the rushing around, but we just wanted to keep you in the loop.
Stay for a moment or hang for a while. You tell me what you want to stay here.
You gonna be a good co-pilot today? Got the best co-pilot in the world. Oh, Kramer, that humidity's doing good things to your hair today. Show the good people of YouTube how you look. Oh yeah, he's looking good. All right, got the GoPro, got my phone. I don't trust Southern drivers. I just don't. They do not respect cyclists. Already seen some flying massive RVs down this road. Some people moving. The most dangerous part of this trip is going to be the drivers. The plan today is to bike 57 miles to, I think it's the Meriwether Lewis statue. It's a hilly day. I think it's supposed to roll a lot. If I know Tennessee, it's not necessarily mountain climbs, but just constantly rolling. Got a little bit of a headwind right now. I think the rain is done though, so we're just gonna take our time. It's 1 o'clock now, sunset's at 7:30. We should have plenty of time for a break or two, see what happens along the way.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go. Kramer, you be good, okay? I don't trust you at all. Well, it immediately starts climbing with some hills.
For more adventures on the road and in our new home, be sure to follow along on Instagram and like and subscribe here. It really helps creators like us.